कितना अच्छा लगता है ना सुन के कि यू लव डूइंग समथिंग एंड इन एक्सचेंज आप उससे पैसे भी कमा रहे हो. देन व्हाट एल्स डू यू वांट फ्रॉम लाइफ? Today's topic is really very interesting, and today I'm going to reveal everything about how much money I actually made as an influencer or a digital creator from my Instagram and YouTube. The first question that comes to anyone's mind is it really possible to earn from Instagram or YouTube or any social media if you have less followers, you are someone who has just started your content creation journey, and somebody who has just 200 followers, 500 followers, 1000 followers? Is it really possible to earn from social media if you have that amount of followers? Then the answer is yes. It is definitely possible to earn from social media if you have less than 1000 followers, just 500, 200, 1000, 5000, 8000, or maybe you're just close to 1000. And I am a live example of the same. So today I'll brief you everything about it, that how much I actually earned last month from my social media and how you can also earn from your social media. And if you are new and want to start your creator journey, this is going to be really helpful for you. So I would request you to watch the video till the end and stay with me. This is going to give you a lot of knowledge and a lot of experience. If you have like less than 10,000 followers, you come in a nano creator category, and this category is small. So the first topic is how do a nano creator earn from social media. Now I have 3 Instagram accounts and I have a YouTube account. So in total I hold 4 accounts, and let me brief you about how many followers I have on each one. So there's one Instagram with the handle name Exploring My Within, and that account of mine has the highest number of followers, which is 8,000 followers. So that's the one from which I earn the most amount of money, because obviously the numbers are a little more than any other account I hold. Then I have another account by the name Tweedy Sony, which is again on Instagram, and I have some 1500 followers from the same, and I do earn from that as well. Coming to YouTube, this is my only YouTube account which I have by the name Tweety Sony, and we are very close to 1000 followers on this. Now, how do we earn when we have such less amount of followers? So the earning way of any creator who has just started or has very less amount of followers is through different type of collaborations. The first one and the most used one by the brands and agencies is barter collaboration. Now, what is barter collaboration? In barter collaboration, the brands send us a product which they want to promote through us. Now, since we have less amount of followers, so we have to be open for barters. In barter, they don't pay you money, but they send you a product which they want to promote, and you have to create content around that particular product. Now, if you have a particular niche, obviously the brand will send you products according to your niche. For example, my niche is fashion, beauty, lifestyle. So I receive products which can be clothing product, which can be a skincare product, which can be a makeup product. Now, is it really good to promote anything that comes your way? The answer is no. Now, being a creator, it is your responsibility to be authentic to your audience. So, whatever product that I receive from the brand, I always test that particular product for a couple of days before making any kind of video on the same. Now, if you will promote anything that comes your way, for example, if you are a health creator, fitness, healthy lifestyle creator, and there is a brand who comes up with any sort of supplements which you don't take by yourself but you're promoting them to your audience, that doesn't makes you a good creator, because you are promoting something which you don't use on yourself and you're promoting it to others, and this may lead to any sort of problem to any other person. Health is a sensitive topic, so you have to be very particular about what you are showcasing to your audience. So this is a really important factor before you start and choose your niche. You have to be really particular that what actually you want to make. If you don't like the work you are doing, if you don't enjoy what you are creating, then there's no point of making videos on the same. You can only be a creator for a long term when you actually enjoy the entire process and the work behind it goes because it's not an easy task to be a creator. It takes a lot of efforts you have to put in. You'll start a creator journey, you yourself know. Putting in your best efforts to make the video, decide the topic, decide the entire timeline, the entire idea about the same, and then executing it is not a easy task. It is not an easy task. So you have to be really particular about your niche. You have to be particular about what you're actually promoting to your audience, and it should be something that comes from within, something which you use on yourself. And अगर आप वो चीज खुद पे भी यूज करोगे, उसको प्रमोट करोगे, तो वो ज्यादा अच्छा होगा rather than promoting something which you don't use on yourself and you just are promoting just for the sake of money. So the first point and the most important thing is whatever you are showcasing on your page, it has to be authentic. It has to be something which you actually use on yourself. कुछ भी उठा करके promote करना is not my style and not my way of being a creator. Now, the second factor that comes in, am I a full-time influencer? First of all, I don't consider myself to be an influencer. I am just a person who's sharing her experiences, whatever I use on myself, being it skincare, being it makeup, being it something I eat, being it something I follow in my lifestyle. I just show it to people. I just showcase it in front of the people, and if it may help a single person, I'll be really helpful to them. Is it good to call yourself an influencer? I think no. I don't call myself an influencer and I don't even like this term influencer. What is influencer? Why are you influencing anybody? Why do you have to influence anybody? I am a digital creator. I create content, I create lifestyle content. मैं जो यूज करती हूँ खुद पे, मैं जो खाती हूँ, मैं जो करती हूँ, I just share that with people. And अगर वो किसी एक को भी help कर रहा है, and if I can be a resource, a helpful resource to a single person out there, that's what I think. Being a only girl child of my parents, I have a younger brother, but I don't have a real sister. So I never had anybody who could guide me in things which a girl needs from day to day, being it how to carry yourself, how to wear clothes, how to style, how to make your hair, how to do makeup, how to do skincare. There was nobody in my life जो मुझे guide कर सके properly, and I always felt that sort of loneliness कि एक बड़ी बहन का होना कितना important होता है एक लड़की की life में. And so I thought that why not become a elder sister to other girls out there who don't have a sister with them or who don't anybody to share the things with. So my idea of being a digital creator is I just share whatever I do. I just hope and want अगर कोई भी और लड़की, कोई भी और इंसान मेरी वीडियोस के थ्रू कुछ भी सीखता है, then it is going to be a really good thing for me and I would be really proud of myself for that particular thing. Not just for the sake of money, obviously I do want to earn money from my social media, but that's not the only purpose of my social media. Now, how do we earn in barter collaborations? So when you are a small creator, the term is nano creator. And for example, मेरे पास 500 followers हैं Instagram पे. एंड मेरे पास एक कोलैबोरेशन आई है एक स्किन केयर ब्रांड की, फॉर एग्जांपल डॉटन की. सो व्हाट डॉटन की सेड इज, उन्होंने मुझे अपना एक सनस्क्रीन भेजा एंड दे सेड दैट यू हैव टू मेक योर वीडियो अराउंड दिस पर्टिकुलर सनस्क्रीन. नाउ दे विल बी शेयरिंग अ कपल ऑफ instructions. So the product which we are showcasing, it should be more visible than the clothes you are wearing. So you have to wear decent clothes, you don't have to wear a lot of jewelry, no makeup, and you have to make video around it, and you have to tell the benefits of the particular product कि ये कैसा है, आप इसको क्यों यूज करते हो, एंड आप किसी और को क्यों रिकमेंड कर रहे हो, why anyone should use a sunscreen. Now the main factor with this barter collaboration that comes in is, first I will use this product on my skin and I will see कि ये मेरी स्किन पे कोई रिएक्शन तो नहीं कर रहा. Is it good for anybody who will be using it out there? Is it good for oily skin, dry skin, sensitive skin? इसके ingredients क्या हैं? कोई harmful ingredients तो नहीं है? After studying all these things, we make the video around it. Now, barter means you can keep the product and you have to just make a video of it. So it is again a earning, because if you will, being a girl, if you will do your skincare, you will need products and you will have to buy them from any sort of shop, pharmacy store, ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन whatsoever. नाउ अगर आपको प्रोडक्ट मिल रहा है, इट इज अगेन अ अर्निंग, बिकॉज आप काम करके दे रहे हो ब्रांड को एंड उसके बदले में आप वो प्रोडक्ट रख सकते हो और उसे यूज कर सकते हो. एंड बीइंग अ गर्ल, यू नो दैट being a girl is really expensive. You need a lot of things to take care of yourself, your skin, your hair, your body. So if I say from barter collaborations how much I earn in a month, it can range from somewhere around 2000 to 10,000 rupees. There are months when I receive a lot of packages from brands and इतने products होते हैं टेस्ट करने के लिए ऑन माई सेल्फ. सो कितना टाइमलाइन वो देते हैं टेस्ट करने के लिए? बेसिकली द ब्रांड गिव्स यू 7 to 10 days टाइमलाइन टू टेस्ट द प्रोडक्ट ऑन योर सेल्फ, योर स्किन. सो आप 4 to 5 days में एक आइडिया लगा सकते हो कि एक प्रोडक्ट आपके स्किन पे कैसे बिहेव कर रहा है. बिकॉज आई हैव सेंसिटिव स्किन और सेंसिटिव स्किन पे कोई प्रोडक्ट एक बार लगाते ही पता चल जाता है कि वो रिएक्शन करेगा या फिर वो सूट कर जाएगा. सो इफ आई डोंट लाइक अ प्रोडक्ट, आई सिंपली से द ब्रांड दैट आई डोंट लाइक इट, प्लीज टेक इट बैक एंड आई विल नॉट मेक अ वीडियो ऑन इट. इसका मैं एक एग्जांपल देती हूँ आपको. देयर वाज अ ब्रांड, दे हैड अ मसाजर सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग, जो कि इफ यू मस्ट हैव सीन रेड लाइट, ग्रीन लाइट, ब्लू लाइट, इस तरीके के आजकल फेस मास्क, एलईडी लाइट्स आ रही हैं टू calm down your skin, acne, and to make your skin brighter, smoother. So I received a product जिसमें एक मसाजर था, वो फेस के लिए था, specifically for under eyes and dark circles. वो again it was a red light sort of eye massager and I had to use it with any sort of eye cream that I had. मैंने उसे ट्राई किया एंड पहले ही दिन यूज करने के बाद आई गॉट सच रेडनेस अराउंड माई आईज. जहां जहां मैंने वो प्रोडक्ट यूज किया था मेरी पूरी की पूरी स्किन इतनी बम्पी हो गई थी, इतना ज्यादा रेडनेस, इतना ज्यादा एलर्जिक रिएक्शन हो गया था एंड आई वाज सो स्कैर्ड. So these things do happen with you when you have to test out any single product, and you have to bear with it because you are a creator and you have to use it on yourself before promoting it to anyone else. And मेरे को इतनी गंदी रिएक्शन हो गई थी कि आई जस्ट सेड द ब्रांड दैट आई एम नेवर गोइंग टू प्रमोट एनीथिंग लाइक दिस व्हिच इज नॉट सूटिंग माय स्किन. हाउ कैन आई प्रमोट इट टू एनीबॉडी व्यूइंग मी? It might give allergic reactions to them as well. So this is how barter collaborations work. So basically in a month I earn somewhere around like 2 to 5,000 तो होता ही है हर महीने की earning through barter collaborations, and it can even range up to 10,000. I'll give you an example. Recently, I did a clothing collaboration with a brand called Noor by Grishma Kaur. She's from Amritsar and I received a sari from her which I wore on Diwali, and I just had to make a video for it. In return, they sent me the sari and I can keep it. So that's how our barter collaboration work. Now, is it possible to earn money also with such less followers, not just barter? Yes, it's possible. I do get some paid collaborations in exchange of money, not just the product, for my Instagram too. And how much money I actually made from my Instagram in the last month? In the last month, I made 5,000 rupees from my exploring my within account, which has 8,000 followers, and it is definitely possible. Now, how I made 5,000 rupees, I'll brief you about that as well. I really love exploring different brands when it comes to skincare, sunscreens, and Garnier का एक recent launch आया था, and it was vitamin C super bright sunscreen and I was really excited to try it, and to my utter surprise उसका formulation इतना lightweight, इतना milky, इतना अच्छा था. I have very dry skin और मेरी skin को इतना dewy glow दे रहा था वो sunscreen. मैंने वो collaboration किया, मैंने उस sunscreen को use किया and I absolutely loved the product and I had to review it. उसके exchange में I was given 2,000 rupees for one reel. So it's that easy and it's that possible to definitely earn from your Instagram. I earned 2,000 from that one video of 32 seconds. So yeah, that was my last month earning for one Instagram video in exchange of my honest review. Now you can be creative on your paid collaborations and even your barter collaborations. Brands, बहुत बारी ब्रांड्स आपको स्ट्रिक्ट इंस्ट्रक्शंस देते हैं कि आपको सिर्फ इस तरीके के कपड़े पहनने हैं, सिर्फ इस तरीके की लाइंस बोलनी है, जो मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता. बिकॉज यू हैव टू बी क्रिएटिव इन योर वर्क. इट शुडंट लुक लाइक ये सिर्फ एक एड है. एंड व्हेन यू नो यू हैव एक्चुअली टेस्टेड द प्रोडक्ट ऑन योर सेल्फ एंड आप सब चीज कर रहे हो, तो यू शुड बी गिवन योर क्रिएटिव फ्रीडम टू मेक your video look like you actually use it on yourself, and it's not just an ad but it's more than an ad because you used it, you tried it, and then you are reviewing it. So there are brands which give you creative freedom, जैसे कि Garnier ने दी. I did the collaboration through an agency, and if you want to get certain contacts from where you can get your paid and barter collaborations, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel and send this video to my Instagram. You can send it anywhere, be it exploring my within or to VD Sony. मैं दोनों के लिंक्स डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगी और आप अगर मुझे ये वीडियो वहां पर शेयर करोगे तो मैं आपको डीएम में सारे कॉन्टैक्ट्स दे दूंगी वो जो मेरे पास हैं जिससे आप पेड और barter collaborations कर सकते हो. I have a list of contacts and I'm sure it is going to be helpful for you. So share this video directly to my Instagram DM and get all the contacts from me. And I am not a full-time creator. I do a full-time job and I do content creation along with my full-time job, and I love doing it. I just love making videos. I just love being there on camera. And if I can earn from this, then why not? I mean, why not? अगर आपको कोई चीज करनी इतनी पसंद है और उससे आप पैसे भी कमा सकते हो, then क्यों ना करें वो? I believe if you love making videos or love doing something and if you can earn from it as well, just go for it without any single thought. Karo. Yeah. Now again, there were 2 song promotion videos that I did last month. 2 new songs launch हुए थे and I don't remember the song names. So those songs के लिए we just have to make normal transition videos. Now the last way through which I earned the rest 1,000 rupees was through Myntra FWD collaboration. जिसमें we just had to post a photograph, a picture in which we just had to put the FWD logo, and the fit could be from Myntra, couldn't be from Myntra. We just had to flaunt the fit, and I earned 500 rupees each from 2 pictures that I posted on 2 of my accounts, and that's how I earned 5,000 rupees last month from my Instagram. I hope I made it clear that how can you actually earn from paid and barter collaborations through Instagram even if you have 1,500 followers or 500 followers. ब्रांड्स को फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि आपके कितने फॉलोअर्स हैं until you actually make good content. Now coming to YouTube, YouTube पे मोनेटाइज होने के लिए अगेन आपको 4,000 आवर्स का वॉच टाइम, 10 लाख व्यूज ऑन योर आइदर शॉर्ट्स या फिर 4,000 आवर्स का वॉच टाइम और 1,000 फॉलोअर्स चाहिए होते हैं मोनेटाइजेशन के लिए. बट अगेन अर्न फ्रॉम योर यूट्यूब थ्रू बार्टर एंड पेड कोलैबोरेशंस जस्ट लाइक इंस्टाग्राम. जैसे मैंने आपको भी ब्रीफ किया ऐसे YouTube पे भी होता है even if you have less than 1,000 followers. So I have done a couple of collaborations for YouTube as well. जैसे कि मैंने एक कोलैबोरेशन की थी which was Be Body Wise का hair growth serum on YouTube, and that was a barter collaboration, not paid. But मैंने उसको यूज किया एंड मेरे बहुत ज्यादा हेयर फॉल हो रहा था. आई डेफिनेटली सॉ अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस इन माय हेयर एंड हेयर फॉल. Also, I had some bald patches in the front जो कि काफी ढक गए हैं with the help of that particular serum only. So I tested it out, I loved it and I reviewed it on my YouTube. ये भी possible है. And अगर कोई भी प्रोडक्ट मुझे अच्छा लगता है I definitely share it on my social media, and if I don't like a product I share that too on my social media. So I am being really honest and I would really appreciate if you like, share, subscribe to my channel, help me achieve more numbers, 10,000 followers at least on YouTube before 2025 February. That's my goal. No money is less. You start with less and then you grow eventually and earn more. So initially I have also done collaborations where I just earned 200 rupees from a single post on Instagram, and I still did it because I'm not doing it just for money, but I do it because I love doing it. And why not? मैंने किया and eventually when I was earning 200 rupees from Instagram, I was happy, and now I'm earning 2,000 for a single video and still I'm happy. And I know that I'll reach that stage too where I'll earn a lakh rupees from a single video as well. I know I will, and yes, it's possible. Creators जिनके millions of followers हैं, lakhs में followers हैं, and even those who don't have much followers but have really good reach, they charge 50,000 rupees for a single post and a single video too. And that's possible. That's the power of social media. आप एक सिंगल वीडियो से 50,000 रुपीज भी चार्ज कर सकते हो ब्रांड को, और वो पे करते हैं because they know you have a viewership, you have an audience which actually love watching you and your content because they know you are authentic, and that's what I want to build. I believe I made myself very clear with how much I earned last month for my Instagram. YouTube say I haven't done much paid collaborations and YouTube के guidelines के according we cannot share what we earn from YouTube, so I won't be able to share the numbers here. But yeah, that's how we earn from social media. Next question that many people ask from me is when did I started my creator journey? So to be honest, I have been creating content since 2014, 2015 and मैंने बहुत सारे accounts बनाए थे. Even I had another YouTube account as well and मेरे Instagram के भी बहुत सारे accounts थे. मैं तब से content creation कर रही हूँ जब बहुत ज्यादा पुराने क्रिएटर्स मतलब जब कंटेंट क्रिएशन कोई जॉब ही नहीं था. इट वाज नॉट अ जॉब, इट वाज नॉट समथिंग फ्रॉम व्हिच यू कैन अर्न एंड पीपल नेवर न्यू अबाउट कंटेंट क्रिएशन. आई एम डूइंग इट फ्रॉम देन एंड इट इज अ रियली टाइम टेकिंग प्रोसेस. नॉट एवरीबडी इज दैट लकी कि रातों रात उनके मिलियन फॉलोअर्स हो जाएं. मैं स्टिल 5, 6, 8 साल से लगी हुई हूँ एंड आई एम स्टिल putting in a lot of efforts in my content, and I know I'll reach that stage too one day, and I'll not stop doing it because I love doing it. How can I stop doing it? So I have earned 8,000 followers on one of my account, and yes, it took me 8 long years for 8,000 followers. And ऐसा भी होता है कि कुछ लोगों के एक महीने में ही लाखों हो जाते हैं. So it entirely depends upon you, your fate. But I would say just keep putting in your efforts, and you will definitely reach there. So I never have quitted and I'll not even quit. I am a मैं full time job करती हूँ 9 hours a day and I create content along with it. Now the next question that comes to people is how do I manage my work with my content creation? Or how can you do it if you are studying and if you want to do content creation? So I would say मैं ऐसे manage करती हूँ कि I create videos on my weekends when I have off या फिर कभी भी मेरे को छुट्टी मिलती है तो I prefer making videos in daytime because मुझे softbox की need है and I have not bought it yet. मुझे खरीदना है and it's a bit expensive. I don't want to put in a lot of money right now, so मैं sunlight का best possible use करने की कोशिश करती हूँ and I sort of make videos in daytime. So weekends पे जब भी मुझे time मिलता है every weekend I try to make videos and उनको मैं weekdays पे edit करती हूँ and I sort of you know that there's a feature in YouTube and अब Instagram पे भी आ गया है कि आप अपनी चीज़ों को लाइन अप करके रख सकते हो एंड वो अपने आप पोस्ट हो जाती हैं ऑन व्हाटएवर टाइम यू वांट टू पोस्ट. सो आई काइंड ऑफ डू दैट एंड इट हैज बीन हेल्पिंग मी अ लॉट. There are timelines when you do brand collaborations, be it barter or paid, कि आपको 2 दिन के अंदर कंटेंट बनाना है, 3 दिन के अंदर कंटेंट बनाना है और आप जॉब भी कर रहे हो, आप पढ़ाई भी कर रहे हो एंड आपको टाइम नहीं मिलता. बट देन दैट्स अ ब्यूटी ऑफ व्हाट यू एक्चुअली डू एज अ पैशन. जब आप कोई चीज करना बहुत पसंद करते हो तो अपने आप आपको उसके लिए टाइम भी निकालना मिल जाता है और आप उसको कर भी लेते हो. सो दैट्स हाउ आई मैनेज थिंग्स एंड आई जस्ट लव डूइंग इट. Last question that a lot of people ask from me is camera friendly or not shy in front of the camera. So honestly, in the initial days of mine, I was never this comfortable in front of the camera and मैं भी बहुत shy feel करती थी. It just comes with time and practice. So I would say just keep doing it and eventually you will be better and you will be learning a lot from yourself only. जब आप खुद से बातें करोगे ना कैमरा पे इनिशियली आपको अजीब लगेगा बट eventually with time you will just start loving it so much. If you actually love making videos and love creating something, creating content for people, if you want to help someone in any way possible, you'll be loving this job a lot. And that's what and how I do it. I hope I was able to be helpful in any manner to anybody out there who's watching this video. I hope मैंने कुछ भी help किया हो in your queries, questions. If you have any more questions, if you want to ask anything, just hit them up in the comment section below or just tag me on Instagram. You can text me, you can send this video to me and I'll be glad that I can help you out. And it was lovely making this video. And ये video बहुत ज़्यादा requested थी. There have been so many people who have been asking me that how I earn from Instagram and YouTube and how I actually make money from my content. So I hope I was able to make any positive change in your life and I hope I gave some value to you from this video. And yeah, let me know what next you want me to make and what next you would like to watch. And I would really be happy if you like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and follow me for more such videos and I'll see you in my next. तब तक के लिए bye 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 bye.